Hello everyone, Logan from Curated Avalon, and today is December 18th, so we're going to the 18th day of Diamine Inkvent. Blizzard, and it is going to be a shimmer ink. Shaking up the ink since it is a shimmer ink. Want to get that shimmer nice and incorporated. It's another pretty wet ink. It's a very pretty blue. It reminds me of a nice denim. And today's fountain pen is going to be a Kilk Camarilla Turna with a medium nib. So we are on Diamine Inkvent 2023, day 17. And this is Blizzard. This ink writes very nicely on both papers. It does spread a little bit more on the onion skin, which is typical. Have a little bit of variation in there, and definitely going to be having some shimmer. I'm going to let this sit for a minute and see if I can find a few objects around the house to kind of compare this color ink with. I have a few items. I have the Agatha Christie book, The Mirror Mirror. I think it might be a little more purple. Oh, that's getting pretty close. That's getting pretty close. Okay, and this I think is going to be too bright of a hue. A little too bright. And I think this also, it's a little bright, but the darker tones match pretty well. This is that Ferris wheel press, the carousel inkwell box. Such a pretty box. That's pretty darn close. Very cool. This has been drying for a while. Now these ink spatters were very heavy with ink. I love this color personally. I think that is a stunning blue. Even written, it's very pretty. Nice soft tone. A little bit of sparkle. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know what you think of this ink. Let me know in the comments below.